What's up, tribe? This is Justin, Elevate Credit. Today is day 17. The real estate market has changed. So thank you guys for watching this journey from day 0 to reuniting my family here in the U.S. and, of course, building credit, buying real estate, just being an entrepreneur in general. So the real estate market has changed. I'm here in Grants Pass, Oregon right now, and West Coast City. There's been, of course, a lot of change all up and down the West Coast, including where I'm from, the Tacoma, Seattle area as well. So let me give you guys just a quick glimpse. Before the pandemic, when I sold, interest rates for mortgages were roughly 3 to 3.5%, somewhere in there. Interest rates today are between 6 and 7%. And price points from 2020 to before the pandemic to now have doubled. So it's super difficult to really purchase anything. On top of that, there's still a shortage. There's still a housing shortage, especially here in this sleepy little town here in Grants Pass. It is difficult to find anything that makes sense to buy. Even if you're making a little bit of money, $4,000 or $5,000 a month, which used to be able to buy you a house. Today, it doesn't really get you too much. So the real estate market has changed. It doesn't mean that I'm not buying. I'm always looking to buy real estate. Always be buying, ABB. And I'm always looking for deals. I'm searching on market, off market. I've been talking to a lot of sellers who are willing to carry the contract, owner finance, structure deals in a creative way, which of course it would need to make sense. I talked to a gal last week who had a 20-unit motel here in Grants Pass, but her terms were, she wasn't motivated to sell in any reason. Her terms were just insane, crazy. So the real estate market has changed, and it doesn't mean that you can't put deals together. It's just more difficult. So today I am looking at a 1-bedroom apartment to rent for $1,100 per month, and my strategy is just to keep my overhead as low as possible until I can start producing more income and it makes sense to buy something. And of course, first and foremost, getting my son and my wife back here to the U.S. So it's just about establishing myself, having a home, and getting settled in here to, well, I'll get my family back and raise my family here in Grants Pass, Oregon. So thank you guys for watching. To my son Josiah, you are blessed, you are anointed. You're going to grow up to do great things, and to your success. Salud.